Hi! Welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to decor this insulated mug using adhesive vinyl and vinyl sticker paper. For today's project, I'm going to use vinyl sticker paper mats and glossy laminate. For our adhesive vinyl, I'm going to be using this one, and this is the Gradient Confetti Clouds vinyl. It has a little of texture and it's going to look really pretty. Also, I'm going to be using some transfer tape and some tools from TeckWrap. Before we get started on the program, I'm going to measure the cup first, just to know the size that I'm going to use for the design. With anything else to say, let's get started. Here I am on Silhouette Studio and I have over here my design almost ready. I'm going to check that my design has the size for the mug. I can see over here that it has approximately the size that I want. I'm going to size it a little bit, just like that. Now I'm going to duplicate the design because I want to put it on both of the sides of the mug. And now I'm going to separate the layers because the one that I'm going to cut for the vinyl is going to be the letters and these sparkles over here, and the other parts are going to be the ones that I'm going to print and cut on the vinyl sticker paper. I'm going to cut first the letters and the sparkle. Now I'm going to cut the adhesive vinyl and paste it on the cutting mat. So let's see how the color looks, and I will show you the texture that this vinyl has. Here you can see up close the texture that I mentioned you, and look how beautiful these colors are. Now let's cut a piece. I'm going to cut it smaller because the letters that we are going to cut are small, so I don't need a big piece of vinyl for that. I will put the text on different sides so we have all the colors of the vinyl. Now let's place it on the cutting mat. I move the text, and these are the settings that I'm going to use for this type of vinyl. Remember that when you use a texture vinyl or a vinyl that is more thick, you have to choose more force, or you have to increase the blade depth so the machine cut it well. Now that I finished with this, I'm going to send to cut. Now I'm going to move the text out of the cutting area, and I'm going to place the design for print and cut. I'm going to turn on the registration marks, and I'm going to change the size to A4. That is the size of the vinyl sticker paper from TeckWrap. I'm going to change the registration mark size. So I'm going over here to more settings, and I'm going to change over here the bottom inset. And there we go. Now we have the registration marks to the sides of our design. Remember always to choose the media type for your printer and the print quality that has to be on high. Now, here I have my design printed on the sticker paper. Look how beautiful it looks. And before I send to cut, I'm going to paste the laminate to it and then send to cut. So let's do it. with the squeegee. Remember to always use it so the laminate doesn't get some air bubbles. Now let's place it on the cutting mat and let's send it to cut. Now that I have ready my stickers and my vinyl, I'm going to do the weeding and I'm going to take out the stickers from the cutting mat. Now, for these smaller parts, I'm going to be using these TeckWrap tweezers. Now let's do the weaving. Here's the result of our vinyl decals. Look how beautiful. And I don't know if you can see it. I think that you can see that this vinyl has like a little of glitter. I'm going to be pasting the sticker first. And now let's take the adhesive vinyl and paste it on the top. I have my piece of transfer tape over here and I'm going to take the transfer tape, put it on top of my vinyl so I can paste it. Now that I have it over here, I'm going to paste it just like that. Now I will add the stars and I'm going to use again the tweezers so it's more easy to paste the stars. This one goes over here. One of the sides of our mug is done and look how beautiful it looks. I really love this vinyl. And the sticker paper, look, the colors, the quality is amazing. Now I'm going to do the other side following the same steps. And we are done. And here's the final result of our mug. Look how beautiful it turns out. I really love it. So leave a comment if you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we post a new video. See you on the next one. Bye!